This is Mike J. Welcome back to the channel. That is a cold start exhaust rattle on my 18 Camaro SS. The exhaust rattle is intermittent. It's more always there than it's not there on cold starts. As you can see and hear, it's only for a few seconds and the exhaust rattle goes away. I doubt it's a heat shield, but apparently these are common problems with the Camaro SS's with the dual mode exhaust. From the 16 model year all the way to the 19. Yes, it is annoying. The car's got 12,000 miles on it, and I just noticed it here in the last, I would say maybe 500 miles. Actually, I probably heard it there. I never paid much attention due to the fact that now it's cooler, I got the windows down, and sometimes even at a stoplight, when the car is cold, you do hear it because it is cooling off here in Phoenix. But anyways, those of you that do have Camaro SS's, if you have this exhaust rattle, leave me a comment. Let me know what it is and what your resolution was to fix it. Probably I'll have to take it into the dealer. But anyways, if you like this video, please give me a big thumbs up. Please like, subscribe, comment. Tap the notification bell for future videos. And I will see you in the next one. In fact, some of the C7 forums for the Corvette as well, it's got the same thing. Obviously, they're almost the same cars. But anyways, thanks for watching. I'll see you in the next video.